Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Liquid Glass Dialer on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you have to download this dialer on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description and this is absolutely free. After download, guys, look at this icon complete in Liquid Glass. After download, simply tap and open. After open, choose language, simply tap on done, tap on OK and set this dialer as default dialer. Simply tap on cut and guys, look at this complete Liquid Glass dialer on your Galaxy device. Look at this bottom side, guys, complete Liquid Glass UI. If you go to favorite, look at this iPhone options on this dialer. Go to recent. If you go to setting, then look at this display option. Guys, you also disable Liquid Glass with this option reduce Liquid Glass. Simply turn on this option and look at this Liquid Glass UI disable. Or if you want to turn on again, then simply turn off this option and Liquid Glass again enable on your Galaxy device. Look at this next option, display theme. You also set light or dark mode, font size, incoming calls, full screen or banner, slide to answer. You also set calling button, voicemail, call background. Guys, look at this different call background. Or you also set custom call background from gallery with this option. Now look at this, you also change app icon, normal or Liquid Glass. Now next option is call alert, fake calls, sound vibration. You also said feedback, but this is system options, calling accounts, block number. You also add block numbers with this option. Guys, look at this. This is complete in Liquid Glass. Look at this, guys. Simply replace this icon with your default call icon. Now, guys, Liquid Glass dialer on your Galaxy device. Guys, you also install this Liquid Glass dialer on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.